Okay, everyone, welcome back to Street Soldier Brett's YouTube channel. I'm just kicking this thing off. So, uh, like my man Hammer on 2 said, everything can be a video. So I'm taking his advice right now and making this right here into my first unboxing video. So this is my first time, so bear with me. Um, it's a learning process, like everything is. So I decided to order something yesterday. Um, I don't know anyone else that actually has this device right here. They have something similar to it, but not this particular one, as far as I know. So as far as I know, in my group of people, I'm the first one to have this. So it was a product that just got released, and we're gonna open it up and see exactly what it is. Okay. So this box. Oh, look what we have here. The DJI Osmo 360. That's what I'm talking about. Now I already run the DJI Action Pro 5, so I'm just decided to order this to supplement my ability to make videos. So, like I said, this is all new to me, and I'm gonna try to figure this thing out on what it does, how it does, and the editing and everything, the placement. I still got to figure that. I have something else on order. Oh, wait a minute. I got another package here as well. So, Amazon. You can order a freaking planet from Amazon. So, right here, I ordered the Insta 360. Yeah, I know it's the enemy, the competitor. But for what everybody says, these are supposed to be pretty good. There's another company that makes this clamp as well, but it was in silver, and so I decided to order it from Insta 360. It doesn't really make much of a difference. I'm not brand loyal like that, so I decided to order this one to. One second here. I need to find a little knife. I can open it up right quick. I'm going to use this to clamp this onto my bike. I have this is supposed to go on here like this. This is the DJI Action selfie stick. So this will go on. This will clamp onto the bike. This will go on here. This will extend out. The camera will clip onto here. And let's just open this up right quick and see what we have. Because I have no idea how to use this. So it says. Let me put my glasses on. So when you get old, you need glasses. Okay. It should come with should take pictures, 10-bit video, 10-bit D-Log M 360 videos. Has a 1-inch 360 imaging sensor in it, magnetic quick release, and 100 minutes recording with internal SD card. I can't remember what size they said it was. Let's see, 4K. Has a rubber lens protector, USB-C cable, extreme battery plus, protective pouch, and the camera. That's the contents in the box. So let's see. Okay, use this to. Okay. Look at that. That's nice. Let's open it up and get to the goods. All right. Comes with a little. Get rid of that. Little cleaning cloth. Got the camera right here. Let's open her up. It's like Christmas time in September. It was my birthday the other day, so it's kind of like my birthday gift for myself. Check it out. Look at it. And since I already have the DJI 5, this clip right on there, just like that. Look at that. Lens front and back. Now I know I'm gonna have to go through the entire process of registering the camera, because you can't use a camera until you register it with the app. They kind of like lock you into that for some reason. You know, things not like it was before where you buy something and you actually own it. Nope, those days are gone. They still kind of hold you to them somewhat, make you register the app and have you lock you into their terms of agreement and everything. And I get it up to a certain point, but some of these companies are just ridiculous. I guess this is just a little cover for it. Look at that. Protector. Look at that. Okay. That's all right there. Battery. Now, okay, not too bad, not too bad. We're gonna see. So I guess I'm gonna turn this off and get this thing registered and charged up and see what happens. Try to get it mounted on my bike. All right. And until next time, I will see y'all later.